Bunch of bags of dog food, guys. Bunch of dog food. I don't know if I can get it all. Little holes in it, but there's more than that. I might have to come back later. Huh? I'll be back for it later. Look it, guys. Look. Look at the dog food in there. All of it over there. I'll be back for that later. Gotta hit the rest of this fast. Security's over there. Alright, that's it. That's all I can grab. That's all I can grab, guys. Security's on my ass already. Alright, guys. That's all I can grab. That's all I can grab, guys. Gotta get out of here. Gotta go. Gotta go. Security's on my ass already. Alright, guys, this is what I got. I got 10 big bags of dog food, small bags of dog food, treats, all this stuff down here. So it's a pretty nice haul. And just to show you, a lot of this stuff doesn't expire till 2025. You got June 4th, 2025. So this was a pretty good haul. Nice haul for this one. So remember, guys, subscribe to the channel. Smash that thumbs up button. Comment down below if you like. I'm going to try to post at least 2 videos a week. So hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss a video that I post. Till next time. Peace out.